Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Uber CEO, want to read that?
Uber CEO says won't cut jobs despite mounting tech layoffs.
Yeah, so he has a really nice side profile.
That's nice.
So basically, yeah, you guys know the CEOs always got to have good beards. Basically, a lot of tech companies are doing massive layoffs right now, but Uber CEO says he won't. Why? Because they're still making that sweet, sweet moolah, guys. They need their employees to make that sweet moolah. What they will be doing is deactivating them. They're still going to be deactivating drivers. We all know that. So Uber says they're not considering cutting jobs, even as competitors from DoorDash and Lyft are. He said, no, we're in a good place. You wanna read this part here?
Yeah, we're seeing zero signs of weakness. Shahis said at the event.
It's Khosrow Shahi. Okay, not bad. Khosrow Shahi.
He added that Uber has been the beneficiary of a shift in consumer spending from retail to services.
Whoa, so they just said he raised driver... Oh, our driver base has increased substantially. I thought he said driver rate, but he means the amount of overall drivers has increased.
Yeah. They're still going to get paid less and less. Oh.
Look what Mo said.
They take 75% from drivers, and we paying all the expenses, zero contributions, zero benefits from Uber. Slavery at display, people of color living the American dream.
Those vans look nice.
I'm not a huge van person.
I know, you like your Air Force Ones.
I like Jordans.
You like Nike?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Gucci.
No.
So yeah, guys. What?
I don't own anything Gucci.
Oh. Me neither.